today we're testing the Rode. Yeah, as you can tell right now, we have the Rode. I want to just make this as raw as possible. Hold on a second. I wrote a piece of paper. I'll get it. A second. So the thing is, I never use in my entire life a microphone in my entire life, like a special one. And then I just decided to try this one out. By the way, right now, I'm so sorry for the really bad sound, but yeah, I mean the volume right now is going out of the camera. So basically speaking, I'm going just to say one single sentence on different occasions, and the sentence will be a child. I'll just say it with my normal voice, like this. A child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, then right away he fell asleep. That is as simple as the sentence is, and we're just going to record it many times with different settings. Oh, hi guys. Oh, looks weird. Looks like it just got dominant. The entire camera is like something on it. To be honest, I really have no idea. I mean, I'm just sitting on my own, alone, right here. I'm not just listening to my own self talking. Cool. A child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, then right away he fell asleep. I really don't know how did that one sound. So, right now I just did some adjustments to the settings. One of the settings right now is on the plus 20 decibels. The high pass filter right now is set on the 75. Just wanted to know how the heck this sounds. Yeah, but yeah, here I am. I'm talking. I'm just talking normally. I don't think my voice is so loud. I don't know. Just tell me how this sounds. By the way, I don't know if I'm using it wrongly, this mic, because if I'm doing it, then I don't know, this whole I hope I'm not. Hello there. Right now I'm in a very close distance to the, oh my gosh, I'm going to just correct this one right here. Yeah, cool. Right now I'm in a very close distance to the camera plus the microphone. Does it sound well, bad? I really have no idea. I guess this microphone will help me a lot in just doing what I'm intending to do, I mean, with it. By the way, we're going to say the sentence again. A child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, then right away fell asleep. He fell asleep. I just took the cord off, assuming that right now it is the camera that is recording. Back again to, you know what, I just want to put it right away right now while it's recording. I don't know if it makes a difference. Does it? Hold on a second. Is it on now? Yes, it is. It is on. Cool. By the way, I just want to play a little bit with the ISO. It's too much dark, isn't it? I'll just do it this one. Yeah, cool. Peace. Hey, 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 hey. You know, I just wanna lower the decibels, by the way, again. Right now we are on -10. Yep, we're just saying the sentence basically. A child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, then right away he fell asleep. Yep. I just want to go back to the major points that I wanted to mention right here, because I wanted to do the test like a real raw test that can actually show how this camera is good or bad. Not the camera. Oh, the microphone. How the mic, if it's good, bad, not that much. I just wanted to do the test on standard +20, -10 on different distances, 1 meter, 2 meters, and then the last one will be 5 meters. But the last one I will do it outside, not inside. So the next step is just to go outdoors and just try this thing. Hi, hello. Right now I'm here, I'm outside as I promised. I'm feeling incredibly weird because people are walking, looking at me. By the way, we have these things right now, these days. I'm gonna take them off. I don't know if you guys can hear me well or not. I haven't connected the rod yet. Man, it's just so cold. So simply said, I will just back off 5 meters. I'll just count them right here. And then we're gonna do a recording without the rod, and then with the rod plus between brackets standard, then having it +20 decibels. Then finally the final step will be, what was it, -10 decibels. Yeah, cool. So right now I'm counting 5 meters. Let's just say this one is 1. It will end up right here. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. Something around here, probably. This one, that will be here. But I guess I'm going to change it for a while. Just take it right. I can speak English?
Yes, what are you doing?
I'm filming.
Are you filming yourself?
Yeah, I'm filming myself. No, it's not a job. I'm just doing a review for this microphone.
Okay.
Yeah, so I needed some place like outdoors so that I can test it without it first, then with it.
Okay, good luck.
It's cold, right?
Yeah.
I know that.
Enjoy. It's the humidity in...
Is the what?
The humidity. You know that we're so close to the water.
Humidity? Fukt. Ja, precis. Yeah. I will. Thank you very much for that. So weird, by the way, to have someone in Sweden talking to you. I mean, it doesn't happen so often. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. We'll just sit right here, exactly. Let's just take this one as a benchmark. Alright? Yep. You know, I really want people just to move. So basically speaking, we're reviewing a, right now it's the built-in mic that records. I'm going to say the sentence right away. A child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, then right away he fell asleep. Guess you heard it. Right now I'm going to connect the rod. It is exactly the same point where I actually said the first sentence from. I'm going to test it again. People are looking at me, man. Yeah, so simply I'll say It's a child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, and right away he fell asleep. I mean, the distance is so away from the camera that I really doubt that even the camera, I mean the recording rod, catched what I wanted. Right now I'm going to change it to plus 20 decibels. You know what, let's just do it 10 plus 20 decibels plus a high filtration rate. I mean, right now I can hear birds doing their thing. I don't know if you can hear them, guys, or not. It is exactly at the same point right now. I'm going to say it again, and people are coming. Oh my gosh. A child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, then right away he fell asleep. And people are being so curious right now about what I'm doing.
We are here.
What was that? Vad sa du?
Vi är here. Vi är här. Om du vill fotografera oss.
Yeah, it's okay. It's cool. I'm doing it on my own. Amazing people here when they just get a little bit extrovert, or if they see someone a bit extrovert. Otherwise, it will be a bit boring. The point right now it's about it's on the plus 20 decibels and the 150 hertz high filtration rate or high pass filter. Right now I want to change it to the minus 10, and the minus 10 I don't really think so that you will by any means hear my voice from there, because that one is a bit far and we're like outdoors. But I'll try. Right now it's the minus 10. It's really cold outside and I wanted to just get this blouse, just to, I don't know, that would be cool to have outside. People are so fucking curious. I really doubt that you can hear me right now because it's on the minus 10 decibels and no one is nearby, so I guess yeah, it's a perfect way to say it. It's a child went to school, had an amazing day, went back home, ate some food, and then right away he fell asleep. I honestly, by all means, don't think that you actually heard that one. With that being said, I'm done with recording. Oh my gosh.